In this video, we'll show you how to configure a travel request form for your employees that skips passport and visa pages for domestic trips. Our form has 5 pages for collecting employee details, travel type, passport details, visa details, and accommodation and preferences. This form dynamically adapts to the type of travel, domestic or international, showing only the relevant pages. Let's configure page rules for this. In your form builder, navigate to the Rules tab and go to Page Rules. Click Configure Now and choose Page 2, Travel Type to configure the logic. Let's add our first rule for domestic travel. If the employee selects domestic, then skip directly to Page 5, Accommodation and Preferences, because we don't need passport or visa details here. If international is selected, the form naturally continues to pages 3 and 4 to collect passport and visa details. Here's how the form behaves in both the scenarios. When the employee selects domestic as the travel type, the form skips the passport and visa pages and jumps straight to the accommodation section. When international is selected, the form proceeds to the passport and visa pages. Great! With just a couple of simple page rules, your travel request form becomes smarter and more efficient. Start streamlining your workflows with Zoho Forms today.